Hi, I'm Ross. I live in the Baulkham Hills area, and we've just had Solaray install a Solaray system. It's an 8.3 kilowatt system, and it's Enphase microinverters, and we couldn't be more happy with it. Yeah, we chose to go solar primarily because we fitted solar panels approximately 12-13 years ago in the old system, and which was a string inverter system, and we found that yeah, we were very happy with the solar system. We wanted to do an upgrade on the system, and when I spoke to my cousin who already had a Solaray system in, he recommended Solaray and Enphase, and said you'll be really happy with the experience. So we contacted Solaray, and it was a good relationship from the time I made the phone call right through to complete installation. The installation was nothing short of amazing. Like from the time that we signed the contract to the time we paid the deposit, the communication and the transparency and the complete follow-up from the team at Solaray was second to none. Their service is above and beyond, and their customer service is excellent. The installation team themselves, they explained the situation, because we had a situation where we needed some panels on one side of the roof and some panels on the other side, and the installer worked with us and worked out absolutely which way and the most efficient way to do it. So we're very impressed with the installation, and also the behind the scenes office people, especially Patrick. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Our first power bill was very minimal. We had like an absolute huge deluge of rain over about 6 to 8 weeks after the system was installed. So I didn't get disheartened, because I knew that eventually sunny weather would shine again, and we just received our latest bill last week, and we're in credit to the tune of $110 already, and very impressive. So overall, yeah, it's just great, and it's good to see the solar system working with the software app, and you can see how it's working effectively every day. Love it. Okay, I must admit I am absolutely impressed with the whole system, from the product to the installation to the software package that is supplied with the system. To be able to look at your solar panel usage, your import and your export is just nothing short of amazing. I'm no technophobe, I never will be, but the thing is, the app is so easy to use. I was recently up in Grafton having lunch at one of the hotels there, and I just pulled out the mobile phone and checked my Enphase app for the solar, and I must admit, to be able to look at that app and see your solar panels working, your microinverter solar panels working, it is just incredible. So when I see those blue lines going up on a daily basis on a hot day, I think yes, absolutely wonderful. And then you see your black lines down the bottom there for your export, just very impressive. It just keeps me updated with the system. If there's any fault with the system, the company is able to let you know straight away if there's a fault, and so far so good. Everything has been working 100%. As I say, the Enphase software system, very impressive. Anyone considering a solar system, I would certainly recommend Solaray and the company themselves. The staff, support staff, the installation staff, as I said, they go above and beyond, and I would have no hesitation in recommending this company to anyone considering solar.